Now here.
Thank you. Baba.
Now we shift this other side. Okay. Thank you for the time who are watching. Kindly double tap the screen to like the live if you have not. Please, please, please. Kindly double tap to like the live, and I'll appreciate. You liking means a lot to me. So let's make our carpets. Yes. Sasa nataka ushuke nitoe hiyo meza hapo. Okay, kuja ukae hapo kwa carpet smart. So I want us to lay this other side. Thank you guys. Kindly double tap if you have not. So I have to take the tables down because they're yes, they're very heavy. I mean, can see how they look. Marble tables, they are looking good, right? It's a set of 3, as you can see. Very simple and aesthetic. You see? Marble tables. Once we do that, it's now time. Now here, aligning it to fit this side. Songa kwanza. Yeah, it means I have to squeeze everything. I just have to, because lifting, I have to lift again for it to fit as I want. Now the issue is here. Once it passes here, no issue. Let me show you where the stress is here.
Okay. Baby. It's okay.
Aligning it to be straight is not easy. Wow. Now the problem is this other end, because the carpet is not straight.